Hey, what's up everybody? It's Laura at Vegan RV, and we have another video here for you from Los Brules in southern Baja, Mexico. And so in this video we take another trip down to Cabo to get some supplies. So we stop in and we have some food at Chula Vegan Cafe again. Unfortunately, like all the other places that we want to go to are only open in the evenings, and we don't want to be driving at night because of the animals on the roads. So we're gonna have to wait until we get and we're staying down in Cabo before we can check out some of those other places. That's why we keep going to Chula, because they're open for lunch and breakfast. So after we enjoy that food, we find another market that has all kinds of US imports, including vegan stuff, and that's where we got our holiday roast. So Thanksgiving is saved. Next, you're going to see us go on a hike at dawn with Letty, who is staying a couple of sites over. And she shows us the way up there, and it's so beautiful. And we find something really crazy there that Kevin demonstrates for you. So you'll have to check that out. After that, we try some Plant Squad vegan products that we picked up when we were in Cabo. Some burgers and some ribs. I will say, having eaten 3 or 4 of their products now, the seitan products are better than the burger products. The burgers just aren't heavily seasoned, so it's just pretty much just beans tasting. And it's okay, you know, once you put your condiments on it, but it could be better. That's all I'm saying. On our burgers, we had the Güd sliced cheese. It's sliced American cheese. It's actually exactly what you would expect from an American cheese. So yeah, we are all about that. Great job. And then finally, we bring you along to our Thanksgiving, where we cook up that roast we bought and have some fixins and even make a pumpkin pie. And I've got the link to the recipe for the pumpkin pie down below. I went ahead and posted that on our website, so you'll have that if you want to use it for Christmas or for next year. So let's go check it out.
Not only is there one. Dun dun dun!
You can get, I'm probably not going to finish mine, so feel free to have some. No, that's for the stuff. I'll pray for you.
I was like, yeah, probably not for that.
So we just found the Mother Lode. This place was
California Ranch Market.
Yeah, up there in the corner. They have, it's like a tiny Whole Foods. So they have like Daya and Gardein and all kinds of stuff like that. Bob's Red Mill. So we got our, I'll show you in a minute what we got. Maybe Kevin's gonna pull it out.
Nope.
Nope, he's not.
I'll get my drink.
Okay, I'll show you what we got. It was a very important mission. What you got there?
A roast.
Yep, we found a Gardein holiday roast down here.
Cause it's almost Thanksgiving.
Yep, so now we don't have to have tacos for Thanksgiving.
Thank Jeebus.
Yep. All right. It's 6:15 and we're getting ready to go on a hike up the mountain, well, hill. So, yeah, let's go. So we're going on a hike and we found the Cistern Chapel.
It says, sing here. We are vegan RV.
So we're now selling tickets to see Kevin at Carnegie Hall.
Kevin Pavarotti.
Yeah, just cash app us that money and we'll get you your ticket.
The town?
Yeah, that's where that tower is.
San Bartolome.
Oh wait, no, that was just a single workout. So you have to buy a special one. But they're probably like $100 to $200.
No.
I'll stand to the side so they can figure out what they're gonna do. Oh my god, you see the little baby in there?
Yeah, he's so cute. Oh, listen to him.
He's like, yeah.
Who let you come?
We hear another little one. Ah, look at him. Oh, more babies. Yeah, we hear you, buddy. So a couple of days ago, we went to Cabo and restocked on goodies. One of the things we got, so we're gonna have some of these things for lunch today, and I'll show you them. So we got some American cheese slices that are vegan. And there we go. Some bean burgers, also vegan. Well, obviously, if I'm showing them to you, they're vegan. And another thing, Saturday we went to the market and we have a cilantro baguette. So we're gonna put the burgers on this. Yeah, so let me get to cooking lunch and then we'll eat it and tell you how it is. It looks like the cheese is almond based, but it also has some soy in it and a bunch of other crap. So we'll see how that goes. This is what the veggie burgers look like in the package. Hand for scale. They're pretty big, they're like thick. So we'll see how they cook up. Alright, so getting ready to try this bean burger with American cheese by Güd. The bean burger was I saw it on here. Plant Squad. Plant Squad is the brand.
Dun 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 dun.
I don't want to talk with my mouth full. So the burger is definitely mushy. It's not, I mean, like you would expect with a bean burger instead of like a meaty burger. It has pretty good flavor. The cheese is, like, it didn't look like it was melty, but it actually is. I don't know if you can see right here where it's like squished. Anyway, so it is pretty melty. And tastes like American cheese. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I dig it. It's your turn, Kevin.
Well, I'm gonna just try a bit of the burger without all the accoutrement. Okay. Definitely black beans and oats. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's not a lot going on there.
No, it's got some spices in it, but it's a good, well-rounded black bean burger.
Yeah.
Really.
I thought it was tasty.
I mean, 45 grams of protein.
Yeah. It's
Come
no
on
joke.
now.
When you-
That's per packet. So both of these. So it's 20.
Still, that's like
Two and a
significant.
half.
Yeah. It's a lot.
Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, it's delicious, but again, it does not look anything like the picture on the front. That looks like a sausage.
Yeah.
This looks like a black bean and oat burger. But it's delicious. If anybody's wondering about the bread, we got this. It's
Oh,
a
yeah.
cilantro baguette that we got from the farmer's market.
I introduced that in the beginning. You're like,
You guys already know that. The good cheese was crazy when I was in the supermarket. I was literally just walking around and I was like, just glancing, and they had these like counter coolers. And I was just walking by and I was on the opposite side and just skimming through things. And the one on the opposite side, I was like, good. I was like, what is that? It was the only one I didn't recognize. And I walked over and I was like, vegan sliced cheese, what's up? I was so stoked. So, and it's good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not like as intense, but it's like your typical craft slice.
Yeah.
Cheese.
I mean, it's like what you would expect from American cheese.
Yeah. Serves its purpose.
Yep.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, let's get to eating these foods.
Yeah.
And we have some nice green beans that we got at the
Ooh, and
farmer's
the
market.
Carrots.
And some carrot.
I didn't get any.
Where are your carrots, Kevin?
In my belly.
Yeah. Tonight, we're going to try these seitan ribs from, I keep forgetting their name, Plant Squad. So they're barbecue seitan ribs. Gonna throw them on the Traeger, and we'll show you what that looks like in a bit. So these are little chunks. Well, we're gonna try and make sandwiches out of them, so let's do that. So here's part of one. They're done cooking. I'm gonna give it a try just naked. That's good. It's very similar to the other kind of breaded things that we had. The barbecue sauce on it's very light, so if you have some extra barbecue sauce, that would be really good on this. So we're about to have our Thanksgiving feast. I'll show you all that in just a minute. Ooh, there's the gravy.
Charged a little bit too much, probably.
Feast.
Oh yeah, yes. I should be a videographer like we are.
Oh. This one of your favorites?
Wasn't that Cistern Chapel hilarious? I don't know. There's some funny people here. And the views were just spectacular from up there. So now I'm starting to understand a bit more the people who are, instead of getting waterfront property. They're building up on the hills. It really is amazing. Yeah. That's all I got for you this time. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit subscribe and the notification bell, and we will catch you next time. Bye.
This week on Lost. Dude, look at these new shades.
It's future
Can you
Kevin.
see yourself, guys? Look in the TV. Can you see yourself?